You saw in our last project how a capacitor can store and discharge electricity. You probably noticed that capacitors take a certain amount of time to charge and discharge. Some of you were probably thinking that this fact could be put to some good use in a timer circuit of some sort, and it happens you're right. This project will show how the charging time of a capacitor can control circuit operation. When you finish the wiring connections, set the control knob to on. Listen carefully to the relay. A few moments after you set the control knob to on, you'll hear a faint click from the relay as it operates. Can you guess why it waited to operate? Hint. Take a close look at the schematic. The delay happened because of the two 100 microfarad capacitors in parallel. When they finally built up enough charge, enough current flows to the transistor to allow the relay to operate. Can you think of other circuits or devices that could make use of the time it takes capacitors to charge and discharge?
To better illustrate the circuit, I've added two LEDs. One LED is monitoring power being turned on. The other LED monitors the state of the relay. Watch the LEDs. Notice the delay. What if we increase the capacity? The 201 kit didn't come with a 1000 microfarad capacitor, but we're going to put one in and see what happens with the timing delay. We'll have to wait for it to discharge before we turn it on again. The delay's a bit longer, as you've noticed. Waiting for it to discharge through the 22 kilo ohm resistor. We turn it on again. You see how much longer that delay is? Now what if we don't give it time to discharge through the 22K resistor? We turn it off and then we turn it back on immediately afterwards. No delay. You have to wait for that capacitor to fully discharge before you get that full delay. Pretty cool, eh? Just remember, I'm not the author of these circuits or the text that I'm reading. I'm simply reading from the manual for the 201 Electronic Project Lab kit that you could get from Radioshack or Tandy back in the day.
This has been a Cassette Master production.